Making microwave cheese pizza from Walmart. I gave 90 cents a piece for these. They're personal size. I never microwave one, but I do make them my own. I put olives, tomatoes, jalapenos, garlic, olive oil. Did I leave out anything? Oh, stinky cheese, Parmesan cheese. At that point, I've got my oven preheating at 450 degrees, and I'm ready to put the pizza in. I'll bring you back here in just a few minutes. When I take and slice my tomatoes, I use this handmade knife that I made years ago. You can see the marks on it. It was a saw blade from my dad's shop. You can see all the serrations on the side. I turned it into a good butcher knife. I've had this for about 15 years. It sharpens really good, and I slice the tomatoes super thin with it. It's good for slicing, but it's better for memories. About 5 minutes in, since I put it in, this baby boy is cooking away. Pull it out just a little bit so you can see. Just a bubbling. And I have a special tool to pull in and out the trays. Old church key from Arkansas. It's just got enough hook that it pulls them out. My hands are big. If I get them in that air fryer, I'm always burning them. So this is a great little solution to that. My other tool that I have, it's a necessary when using any kind of cooking. It's digital probe thermometer. Open it up and it'll start reading temperatures instantly. It's got a magnet on the back. It stays where I put it, where I need it all the time. Get yourself one of those. I know a country boy can cook, but this sure makes it nice. Let's see what brand this is. Kohler. I guess that's the way it's pronounced. Anyway, it's a great tool to make sure your food is at a safe temperature, especially if it's something you don't know about. Okay, about 14 minutes into here. Oh, it's looking really good. Brightening up around the edges now. Doesn't take long to cook. Set it on 20. I got it in about 19 minutes. It's 12 minutes now at 450 degrees. Be back here in just a few minutes. It's a little past the 10-minute mark. I've turned it around one more time. I didn't want it to burn. The crust is done. No doubt about that. The crust is wonderful. But I want a little bit more color on the top. Here's how I will do this. Put it back in the air fryer. And I'm going to tell you, the outside of that glass is hot. Don't ask me how I know, but I know. So we're going to turn this air fryer to broil, and it instantly starts. When I bought this Ninja air fryer, I bought it from Amazon. It had no instructions. It was supposed to have had a recipe guide, a quick start guide, all kinds of stuff, but it did not. I've complained to Amazon several times. They complained to the guy that sold it to me, but nothing was done. Said I could download. or print out. Hell, I'm an old dude. I don't have a printer. You see what you get. Let's look at this bad boy here. Oh yeah. Just a little bit more color. I can tell you now, the smell is great. The piece is going to be great. I've had these before. So it's about 1.5 minutes on air broil. I don't know what the recipe is these. I cook by the seat of my pants. So I wanted more color, so I put the broiler on. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's getting there. Maybe another minute. And I'll take this baby out and we will have some pizza. Great watching the clock kick down, right? Second by second. Slowly I turn, step by step. You just don't want to miss anything. If you've got one of these, you'll appreciate it. Alright. Let's see if I can get my old hand up here and take this baby out. And off she goes. If you hear the Vent-A-Hood in the background, it's because I opened it to check it, not on the camera, and it let a little bit of smoke out and set my fire alarms off a while ago. I had to wait about a minute until they cleared out. So here's the pizza. I don't know how that looks to y'all, but it looks good to me. Thin sliced tomatoes, olives, and jalapenos. Extra stinky cheese. See if I can get this off the table, and we'll cut this for a minute. All right, we're back. Turn this thing around and get a better view here. Let's slice this baby up. I have to let it cool down just a minute so I won't string cheese everywhere. Use my favorite butcher knife. I had a private message the other day on where did I get my butcher block at. This butcher block was made from the flooring of my parents' 100-year-old farmhouse, oak flooring, and also some pecan wood that my dad had used to build projects with. So that's what I've got it here. And I made cutting boards for my children, all 3 of them. You can't tell, but there's a brand down here somewhere. It says 5W. It was our ranch brand. So, all right, I'm gonna attempt to cut this, hold the phone. Still no tripod, but I think I can get it. Let's see here. Make sure I've got it to the right side. Oh yeah. Lucky it's a sharp knife. The crust is good and crispy. Alright, let's see if we can turn this baby around here. All in one piece. All right, she's finished. Hope you enjoy my recipes. I definitely enjoy teaching. I've never had a class in cooking. My mother and grandmothers taught me. Also my dad. He was the king of grilling and barbecuing. If you have any questions, please ask, share the videos, and comment. Thank you so much. A country boy can cook.